Hello everyone, it's me, Love for Animals. Felt like doing that. TFU, I'm doing an unboxing. So let's get straight into it. Ugh, that's confusing. Okay. Carrot perforation. Okay. Carrot perforation. Ooh, I can't open it. I'm just gonna use scissors. It's easier. Tinkerbell. Too hard to cut. Okay, I got it. I don't know if I can get to it. A little sticky down here. Woo! It's pink and white. Okay. It's Backstreet Boys' new DNA CD. It was released on January 25th, which is the day after my birthday. Now I've loved Backstreet Boys ever since I was little. So when I heard that they were releasing a new CD, I was really excited to hear it and listen to it, to hear their new music. I do have a couple of their other CDs as well. I'm excited to hear it. Hear the new music. There it is. Let's close up on it. Ooh. There we are. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, and you're super awesome. I forgot my outro. Okay. I hope you liked the video. If you did, you're super awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye.